Let's be honest, most of us spend more time in Outlook than actually doing our jobs. 58% of the average work week is consumed by emails, admin, and meetings. That's time not spent on strategy or the work that matters. And that's why Microsoft built 365 Copilot. It's an AI assistant that works inside the tools that you already use: Word, Outlook, Teams, PowerPoint. But here's the catch. If your people don't know how to use it properly, it might as well be turned off. Copilot has huge potential. Microsoft's own data shows that 70% of users feel more productive and 85% create a first draft faster. But here's what they don't say out loud. Those numbers only apply when people actually know what they're doing. That's why our training goes way beyond showing where the Copilot button is. For example, we built an online training course that is hands-on and actually tailored to your people's roles. Sales, capturing real-time meeting notes with instant summaries and actionable tasks. HR builds onboarding documents and policy updates structured the right way. We don't just teach features, we build confidence. Our training walks people through real scenarios using your own Microsoft 365 environment. They leave knowing what to ask Copilot, when to use it, and how to trust the output. That's the difference between playing with AI and actually using it to work smarter. AI isn't going to replace your team, but teams who know how to use AI, they're the ones getting ahead. Most businesses think access to the tool is enough, but without training, the ROI just isn't there. Copilot works best when people know how to prompt it and how to treat the output. That's what our training delivers: role-specific and hands-on. If you're curious about what that looks like in your business, we'd love to show you. Visit themissinglink.com.au to start the conversation.